I would like to invite Professor Toplak to share some of his observations on the trends in political participation of persons with disabilities in Europe. So, Professor Toplak, if you wouldn't mind sharing a few minutes of your wisdom.
Thank you so much. Let me express my gratitude to the HPOD for organizing this event on this important and timely topic. And thanks to the organizers for allowing me to present the voting rights situation in Europe and the cases I argue. There are two top courts in Europe. One is the European Court of Human Rights and the other one is the EU Court. And currently there are disability voting cases pending at both of them. The Strasbourg Court case is called Toplak and Mrak versus Slovenia, and it aims at making all voting places and procedures in Europe accessible. This court covers 47 countries, and about half of them do not have polling places and procedures accessible. So we believe this case will have a Europe-wide impact in all 47 countries, and possibly it will affect also courts worldwide, because of the importance the European Court has. The HPOD has filed an important amicus brief in this case. And so again, a big thank you to HPOD for this amicus brief. This case is also about access to court. The respondent state argues that persons with disabilities should not be allowed to ask for accessible elections in advance, but only should complain after the elections are over. I think this is bizarre and insulting. Voters should be able to ask for accessible elections in advance, of course. The other case is with the EU Court, and it is on persons with intellectual disabilities and the disenfranchisement of them. During the EU elections last year, Slovenia disenfranchised 2,000 persons, saying they did not understand the meaning of elections. A judge has evaluated these persons each individually and ruled that they did not understand the meaning of elections. They did a questionnaire, they did an interview similar to what in US they did 150 years ago to some persons who wanted to be voters. We argued that no judge should have the power to take a person's right to vote away. So both cases will cover what has already been decided by the CRPD committee, and we wish to get the international courts to put committee's views into law, into court's judgments.